In this video, I'm going to show you how we can obtain BIOS information by using PowerShell. So in this particular practical, I'm using the power of WMI, Window Management Instrumentation, using its classes. So let's start our practical. So we are going to use get command and get WMI object space win32 underscore BIOS. So this particular command will show you the SM BIOS, your BIOS version, and the manufacturer in my case is Inside Corporation, because this is the laptop made by Toshiba company, and the serial number is this, and the name of the BIOS is Inside S2 version 37201.50. So if you want only some particular information, like you only want the manufacturer or serial number, you can use the format list command by pipelining. Use the pipe command, format list name, serial number. So in this way you can use this command to get the information about BIOS. Thanks for watching.